Hello guys, and welcome back to Hamas Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing or launching when you go into a game. And let's get straight into the video. So now the main reason that this error code might be happening in the first place is because of your drivers. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar, type in device manager, head over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now once that is done updating, you guys should be good to go. You can X out, or another way of updating your drivers is by going over to the NVIDIA app directly. If you are on NVIDIA, go over to drivers and then go ahead and select and update, just make sure if you have any updates, if it will say right here, and then you can go ahead and install it from there. Now once that is done, you guys should be good to go. Another method you guys can try doing is by going into the Rainbow Six Siege settings and go ahead and just turn down your graphics, because if you're on fully max graphics and your PC can't handle it, that will also cause some issues. Or you can at least just turn it down to medium or low, and that will help also fix the issue. Now once you do that, I highly recommend restarting your PC as well, and once you do all of these methods, you guys should be good to go. And that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.